Hey everyone, Jeofrey here. Welcome to experience the most elegant eSIM smartwatch with the longest battery life, the Huawei Watch 3 series. And I will going to discuss to you the top 3 key selling points of the new Huawei Watch 3. First, let's start off with the design of the watch. It is crafted from premium materials, bringing sense of luxury to your wrist, which I really like. The Watch 3 Pro has sapphire glass, titanium body, ceramic back that support wireless charging as well, and the Watch 3 has 3D glass and stainless steel body with ceramic back. Its 1.43-inch AMOLED display will give you the perfect viewfinder to see all your messages and notifications at any viewing angle. And for the first time, Huawei introduced a digital crown for easier scrolling through on-display features and volume settings. Watch 3 uses leather and fluoro-elastomer straps, while the Watch 3 Pro has stainless steel and leather straps, which are both replaceable. Moreover, the second top key selling point is the eSIM cellular calling support. The new eSIM features ensures you always connected with your loved ones and up to date with important messages when your smartphone is not with you. Especially if you are in the gym or if you want to do outdoor workout like running or jogging, and you don't want to carry your phone, no need to worry. With the eSIM support, you're still able to receive important calls or messages. It has also 2GB RAM and 16GB internal storage to save all your favorite music, and just connect it with your wireless earphones. It also supports the third-party apps that can be downloaded in the app gallery. And if we talk about the battery performance, the Watch 3 can last up to 3 days and up to 14 days with ultra saving mode, and the Watch 3 Pro can last up to 5 days and 21 days with the ultra saving mode. Both this watch support 5 ATM water resistant, meaning up to 50 meters water depth. Lastly, the third key selling point is the all-day health management and 100+ workout modes. The Watch 3 series provide you with all-day health management functions, helps you always stay on track with all your vital health indicators, like all-day SpO2 level or blood saturation, 24/7 heart rate monitoring, sleep quality track, stress level monitoring, etc. You can get real-time data tracking right from your wrist, and check your progress and deeper analysis from Huawei Health app that can be downloaded from any application store. With that, you also get 100+ workout modes that can meet most of your sports needs, which will serve you as your very own personal coach. So guys, what do you think of this new amazing smartwatch of Huawei? Let me know your thoughts in the comment down below, and if you somehow like what you see here, subscribe to the channel is absolutely amazing. Thanks for watching, and as always, I will catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.